Today I'll be reviewing an article in the Nature Journal, volume 403, number 6768. Physiology, a function of the gluteal pouch is in the horse. The study was conducted in 2000 by Keith Baptist, John Naylor, Jeremy Bailey, Ernest Barber, Klaas Post, and Jim Thornhill. It's been found that athletic animals need to be able to keep their brains cool during exercise, as if they can't, it can be very dangerous and damaged by hypothermia. Horses have remained a mystery for quite a while, as unlike other animals or other species, they don't appear to have thermoregulatory devices, whereas dogs can pant and humans can gasp for air. It has been found, however, that they have a unique anatomical arrangement of the anterior carotid arteries, which supplies blood to the brain. These are enveloped by a pair of air-filled gluteal pouches, which are about 300 to 500 ml of air. And this kind of cooling device is often found in one-toed animals or hoofed animals. It's really interesting that the anatomical association with the upper respiratory system, upper respiratory tract, suggests that the horse's gluteal pouch may function during select brain cooling to help maintain the blood carried by the anterior carotid arteries. The anterior carotid arteries, or ICA, is enveloped by a thin 45 to 200 ml mucous membrane of the gluteal pouch medial compartment, as can be seen in Figure 1. This study was conducted on 4 horses and measured the temperature of the air in the gluteal pouches of the horses, as well as measuring the temperature of the blood from the anterior carotid artery. The measurements were taken by placing 3 probes surgically placed along the anterior carotid artery at 3 sites, one being before the gluteal pouch, one about midway, and one being placed after the gluteal pouch. The one placed before the gluteal pouch was called the tripha, mid was mid, and the one placed after was the flacrum. The results showed that at rest, the tripha temperature was significantly cooler than the later ones. It has been reported that horses' common carotid arteries are cooled presumably by heat lost from the pulmonary circulation and the proximity of the arteries to the trachea and the skin. At rest, the mid-blood in the horse is warmed, and blood that is closer to the end of the arteries is being cooled. This study showed that during trotting and cantering, the tripha temperatures were highly increased when the mid and flacrum increased, but only slightly in comparison to the increase that was found in the tripha, which shows that before the gluteal pouch the blood was quite hot, however the temperatures decreased as it passes along the track. It was found also that after prolonged cantering, the gluteal pouch air and the end ICA temperature were very similar. The gluteal pouch air temperatures hardly varied with the increase in exercise. It was 37.65 at rest, approximately 37.55 when the horse was trotting, and when the horse was engaging in cantering, the temperature was roughly 37.65. The environmental temperature was kept the same for this experiment and was around 18.5 degrees. Exercise trials have also been conducted, and their results show that even when the gluteal pouch temperature wasn't being measured, the results were very similar with the temperatures as to what was found in this study. It's also been found these results can be seen in Figure A, B and C on the following slide.